Good day, friends. We still want to continue our topic on charge and electric charges. You need to watch some of my previous videos, the questions I've prepared and how I've treated them. But today we want to see this question, 1997 question 39. Which of the figures below shows the correct distribution of charges on an isolated positively charged hollow metal? So we are giving the A. These are the representation. C, these are the representation. For you to answer this question very well, you must know the concept they call charge density. Charge density is the ratio of the charge to the area, and it is highest at the sharpest point of the conductor. Let me put down what I'm saying now. Charge density is D equals to charge over area. The charge density means the density of the charge means the point where the charges are concentrated. Just as if you are saying Lagos is densely populated. So in charges, you say charge density is the ratio of the charge to the area, and it is sharpest at it is concentrated at the sharpest point of the conductor. So look at this diagram now. This is this diagram now. If you want to know the sharpest point of this area, this is the sharpest point. The sharpest point. The conductors are concentrated at this point compared to the other surfaces. So these charges are concentrated here because of this area. So the charge density is concentrated at the sharpest point of the conductor here. So let's look at this diagram. This is a hollow metal, no sharpest point. But this is a uniform metal. So because there are no sharpest point on this, the charge conductor is distributed uniformly, you see. So the best option here, when you look at the diagram A, you can't have charges inside and outside. So they are distributed outside, so option B. Unlike this, that forms inside, no. For a isolated positively charged hollow metal, it must be outside. So look at this, is not the sharpest point here, no. So the best option we have chosen is option B, distributed uniformly outside a hollow metal. Concept is charge density is charge over area. See you in my next video. This information is very important. There are some students that are bereft of this information. Let's reach out to them. Let's share it. They will be very, very grateful for the information you have shared. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, IKORODU. This channel is my Facebook channel, IKORODU. See you in my next video. Bye.